Ukraine will never give over to Russia the territories it controls in, say, Kherson, Donetsk, and Zaporizhzhia Oblast, firstly. And it, it's forbidden in the Ukrainian constitution for the defender of Ukraine's territorial integrity, the president of Ukraine, Volodymyr Zelensky, from recognizing parts of Ukraine as belonging to a foreign country. So that's simply not on the cards, and it would be opposed by a majority of Ukrainians. All of these kind of Russian demands, or what the Russian goals were from the war, are ruled out by Trump so-called peace proposals, and therefore it's not surprising that the Russian side will not agree with this. On the Ukrainian side, I think that they could potentially be a public support and support even for Zelensky, that yes, we'll go into some peace agreement. We understand that 20% of our land is temporarily occupied. We will never recognize that. It was temporarily occupied by Russia in return for some benefits. Those benefits are going to have to be, of course, security guarantees or NATO membership. But certainly, even the Trump team, as well as others like in Europe, talk about the need to give Ukraine a military edge to then go into negotiations with Russia with a better position. And so it's very likely that the Trump administration would actually increase military support to Ukraine at the beginning, prior to any potential negotiations. So this is actually certainly not going to be a peace agreement which is concluded in 24 hours, as Trump once said. It is going to be far more complicated, and the biggest obstacle is going to be not Ukraine, but it's going to be Russia here. The importance for Ukraine of ending the war relatively quickly are obvious.